Anise is far more than just a flavorful spice, it's a powerful natural remedy with an impressive array of health benefits that can transform your wellness journey. From supporting digestive health to boosting immunity, this tiny seed packs a remarkable punch. 1. Digestive Health Champion. Anise contains malic acid and anethole, compounds that work wonders for your digestive system. These natural elements help reduce stomach acid, eliminate gas, and relieve nausea. By promoting healthy gut function, anise can help alleviate digestive discomfort and support overall gastrointestinal health. 2. Immunity and respiratory support. Packed with bioactive compounds like coumarin, eugenol, and linalool, anise offers powerful antioxidant, antiviral, and antibacterial properties. These nutrients strengthen your immune system, helping your body fight bacteria, fungi, and viruses. Anise can be particularly effective in treating coughs, flu symptoms, and sore throats. 3. Cognitive and mental health benefits. The nutrients in anise seeds may support brain function and mental clarity. Research suggests that anise can enhance memory and concentration while protecting brain cells from oxidative damage. Some studies even indicate potential benefits in managing depression and cognitive performance. 4. Hormonal health and menopause relief. Anise contains compounds with gentle estrogenic effects, making it potentially beneficial for women experiencing menopause. In one study, women taking anise seed experienced a nearly 75% reduction in the severity and frequency of hot flashes. Additionally, it may help support bone health during hormonal transitions. 5. Heart and blood health. Anise contributes to cardiovascular wellness by improving blood circulation and preventing clot formation. Its iron content supports healthy hemoglobin production, potentially reducing the risk of anemia. The spice's anticoagulant and anti-inflammatory properties may help prevent heart-related diseases. By incorporating anise into your diet, you're not just adding flavor, you're embracing a natural approach to holistic health. Whether through tea, supplements, or culinary uses, anise offers a surprising range of wellness benefits that can support your body's natural healing processes.